my wife.
Oh, so romantic.
The vegan. All right, keep the cameras rolling.
Oh, man.
Greg!
He's like,
Yeah, you came all the way. Yonkers, New York.
what are you eating? What are you about to eat?
Tarantula.
Oh, man.
You gonna do the whole
God
thing
bless you.
by yourself? You doing the whole thing by yourself?
It's hairy. No way. Honestly, that's hairy. Just touch that.
Is it really?
Here.
Ready?
Tarantula. Yeah. Cheers.
Oh,
That is hairy. That's pretty good though.
Yeah. Whoa. The whole thing.
You get to eat the whole thing.
3 second roll.
Are you serious?
The hairiness gets you.
We went back to you.
John's spider drunk. Oh, look at that meaty.
Cheers. That was good.
All right.
Oh, you still got the meaty part.
Yeah.
You got the best part
Wait.
left.
Now,
I'm doing this part.
go ahead, John.
For real?
You doing that part?
Oh, no.
Go. Wait, let me get one more leg before you.
Go ahead. Take one more.
Are you putting that? You're finishing it?
All right. Now, for real, honey.
I really 1, 2,
Cheers.
2.5, 3.
Is that good?
It's all right. Yeah.
Cicada, but